Hello friends! Today we are going to be blowing up a balloon. But we are not going to use our breaths. What you will need for this experiment is any type of bottle. It can be plastic or glass. I'm using a glass bottle, but you can definitely use any type of soda bottle or water bottle as well. You need 1/3 cup of baking soda. You need 1 cup of vinegar. And you need 1 balloon. The last thing you will need is a funnel of any kind. I actually made my own using a piece of plastic. To start this experiment, you are first going to take your balloon and stretch it out. Your next step is to put your funnel inside of your balloon. I'm going to be using a glass just so it's easier for me to hold the funnel up. Now what you want to do is take your 1/3 cup of baking soda and pour it all into the balloon. For my balloon, 1/3 cup of baking soda did not all fit in it, but that's okay as long as it's mostly filled up. Next, take the jar that you will be using and put your funnel in the top. Make sure that your funnel is washed before you do this step. The next step you are going to do is take your cup of vinegar and slowly pour it into the funnel. When you have your jar filled with vinegar, you're going to take your balloon from the top, stretch it out, and put it over the top of the bottle. Your final step is to lift the balloon up and let the baking soda go into the vinegar. When the balloon has inflated, you can take it off the top of your bottle, tie it, and now you have an inflated balloon. So the reason the balloon blew up was because the baking soda and the vinegar created a reaction. A reaction is when 2 chemicals are combined to create something new. When the baking soda and the vinegar react to each other, they create carbon dioxide. Another easy way to see this reaction is when you shake up a bottle of soda and open it. All of the soda will shoot out of the can. As you can see from this video, it was definitely one of our messier experiments, but I had a lot of fun doing it. So if you try this at home, please send your teacher a video or a picture of what happened. I hope you enjoyed science today, and I really hope you can think of some more experiments that you can try at home on your own.